I have been trading in the markets for around 5 years, and there are 3 things that I wish someone told me when I was a beginner. These 3 lessons have made a significant positive impact on my trading results, and I believe they will help you too. First and foremost, I apologize for not being able to upload a new video for the past 2 months. I've been working on some exciting new trading strategies and insights that I can't wait to share with you. Stay tuned for some valuable content coming your way. So, without any more delay, let's get started. Lesson 1. Trading is a game of managing emotions. When I first started trading, I thought it was all about finding the perfect strategy and analyzing the markets. It's all out there. But soon I realized that no matter how much I prepared myself or perfected my strategy, when it was time to execute my plan I always hesitated or hastily jumped the gun. Making the trading plan was easy, but execution was a whole another story. I used to spend days backtesting and preparing my trading plan, but when it was time to execute it, I failed, on multiple occasions. Sometimes, it was greed that made me get into trades which weren't part of my plan, and sometimes it was fear that stopped me from getting into trades I was supposed to get in. All in all, this made me realize that having a trading plan alone wasn't enough. Something more was needed. It was ability to handle your emotions while trading. I realized that trading was a battlefield, not just of strategies and market analysis, but of emotional resilience and self-discipline. It was an inside game. One thing that greatly helped me in handling my emotions during trading hours is practicing mindfulness and meditation. When you know how to handle emotions, trading becomes much easier. You simply execute your trading plan with caring about the outcomes. Lesson 2. The simpler the strategy, the better the results. At the beginning of my trading journey, I was fascinated by complex strategies with multiple indicators and time frames. I thought that the more complicated the strategy, the better the results. But, after years of trial and error, I discovered that the simplest strategies often yield the best results. By focusing on a few key indicators and time frames, I was able to make more accurate predictions and avoid analysis paralysis. Here's what I used to do in the beginning. I used to spend entire weekends creating trading strategies with 15 different indicators. But guess what happened? The strategy failed miserably. After many such trial and errors, I realized that by focusing on so many indicators, I was overcomplicating things and losing sight of what truly mattered. So, the second lesson is to keep it simple and focus on a few key indicators and time frames. Lesson 3. Waiting for the right opportunities is the key. Most people, especially those early in their trading journey, think that trading is all about getting in and out of trades. But, such cannot take you far in the markets. Waiting for the right setup, the right moment is what differentiates exceptional traders from others. Patience is a virtue, especially in trading. By waiting for the perfect setup, you can increase your chances of making a profit and avoid unnecessary risks, and increase your chances of long-term success. Let me share a quote that I find very inspiring. Warren Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." This quote reminds me that patience is key to successful trading. So, the third lesson is to wait for the right opportunities and be patient. To sum it up, these are the 3 things I learned after 5 years of trading. Learn to manage your emotions because trading is an inside game. Keep it simple and be patient. By applying these lessons to your trading journey, you can avoid common pitfalls and become a better trader. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your trading friends and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also leave a like if you found anything of value. And, as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.